Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to track a lot of data, but you didn't have the time or resources to build a custom database? If so, then you may be interested in using Quickbase. Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that makes it easy to create custom databases and applications. In today's world, businesses are generating more data than ever before. This data can be used to make better decisions, improve customer service, and increase efficiency. However, managing all of this data can be a challenge. That's where Quickbase comes in. Quickbase is a powerful tool that can help you manage your data more effectively. It provides a variety of features, including drag-and-drop interface, easy-to-use form builder, workflow automation, reporting and analytics. How many users does Quickbase have? Unfortunately, Quickbase does not publicly disclose the number of users they have. However, we can get a rough estimate by looking at their website and other online resources. Quickbase website states that they have over 1 million users. However, it is important to note that this number includes all users, including free trial users and users who have not purchased a subscription. We can also get an estimate of Quickbase user base by looking at their AppExchange listing. The AppExchange is a marketplace for Salesforce applications, and Quickbase is one of the most popular applications on the platform. According to the AppExchange, Quickbase has over 10,000 customers. Based on this information, we can estimate that Quickbase has between 1 million and 10 million users. What are the benefits of using Quickbase? There are many benefits to using Quickbase. Some of the most notable benefits include easy to use. Quickbase has a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create custom databases and applications. Powerful. Quickbase is a powerful platform that can be used to manage a variety of data. Flexible. Quickbase is a flexible platform that can be customized to meet the needs of your business. Affordable. Quickbase is an affordable solution for businesses of all sizes. Who should use Quickbase? Quickbase is a good fit for any business that needs to manage a lot of data. It is particularly well-suited for the following industries: healthcare, education, manufacturing, retail, government. How to get started with Quickbase. If you are interested in learning more about Quickbase, you can visit their website or sign up for a free trial. Quickbase is a powerful tool that can help you manage your data more effectively. It is a good fit for businesses of all sizes and industries. If you are looking for a way to improve your data management, I highly recommend giving Quickbase a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.